I had the request to do a simple change out video. I know everybody's stressed out by all the stuff that goes on in the world, so let's just have a simple little change out video, okay? Just in a nice clean laundromat, no issues to speak of, no problems. Just a nice simple change out video. So here we are, let's change out some washers. I hope this one's got an error, but I'm gonna set you up so you don't have to see me bouncing around the whole time. I'm gonna see where I can set you. Hopefully you can see everything from there. The doors are locked, so I can't get through it. Just a nice, simple change video. There we go. A big machine. Just a nice simple change out. That's just one row. I don't have my big coin bucket. I keep taking it to other laundromats and forgetting to bring it back. I'll set you right here so you can get a good view of what's going on. I know there's a machine out there that needs drain balance. Now, I just changed this out a couple days ago, so it's not, I mean, it's not epic or anything. We're gonna go dump that in the change machine, and we're gonna go dump this in the change machine. We're gonna do the dryers next. Because like I said, I didn't bring my big bucket. So. Gotta open the change machine up. Fun times. Don't mind the mess. I got half of it unlocked already. There we go. What's behind door number one? Still got change in it. It's down there. Yeah, that makes a lot of noise. Let's go hit the dryers real quick, see what we got. I know people say the lighting's kind of dark in here. I don't see it. You know, I think it's the video quality. I think you're just not picking up. And I see what people left some crash out here. Yeah, we gotta close. People never close the dryer doors. I don't know what's wrong with them. I'm gonna set you up because I don't want to bounce you around the whole time I'm doing this. And I can't do things with you. Alright. There we go. Okay, let's get this one. This is our best machine. Yeah, that's a little. We're gonna have to set those aside. Those are a little scotchy at the moment. Oh, these are real suspect. Something happened here, guys. I'm not 100% sure, but I think these corders got a lot of water on them. I'm gonna have to. These are really damp, and I don't want to load those in the machine. They're real damp. And then these are kind of look like they've been burned or something. Somebody brought in some burned cord. Look at that. They got stained or something. Yeah, I don't know. Hope the rest of the quarters aren't like that. I don't like putting dirty quarters in a machine, in a change machine. Oh, these are better. Now you might be wondering why there's not a lot of quarters in there. These dryers get really hot, so, and I also changed it out just a couple days ago, so. There you go. So, yeah. Got to clean a little bit. I mean, just a little dirt. It's not bad. I'll have somebody come in and clean tomorrow a little bit, pick up. Yeah, those are all done. Yeah, you really want to make your laundromats nice so people want to come back, you know? People don't want to go to a dark laundromat. It's all the water everywhere. They just don't want to do that. So, put this in there, and then we're going to go ahead and I'm going to pick up a little bit. See all the money in there? This place is actually doing really well, despite how dirty it is sometimes. I mean, just right now isn't really a good example because it's not dirty, but you know, there's days it gets kind of swampy in here. Let me show you behind the dryers. It's real good back here. There's nothing. Everything's clean. I'm just checking stuff. This is what I do. I check stuff. Yeah. Yeah. That looks pretty good here. I mean, these are nice dryers. Yeah. I always like to check behind dryers, just make sure there's nothing going on. Sometimes I like to put quarters in all the machines too, the dryers anyway, because obviously your washers, you got to put more than a couple quarters. And I like to just run them, make sure they work. Bathroom looks about how it did. That bathroom shut off because, well, we just don't need two buses. One thing to remember is, you know, when you have a laundromat, make sure you dust the top of your machines. I mean, that's the first thing people see. You know what I'm saying? Clean your windows. I do a horrible job at windows, so don't criticize me. Somebody left their chapstick. But yeah, it gets dusty up there. You gotta get rid of that. That's bad. Make sure your lights all work real good. Yeah, you just want to really keep it nice and clean. See, like I don't have any dryers. I got that one to work on, and that one. That one just needs to be wiped down a little bit. But yeah, that's it for the laundromat. I mean, simple change out. I'm gonna do probably another one in the morning real quick because I go to Vegas. I fly out to Vegas tomorrow. See some of you. See Brandon, ask the questions you want me to ask him. So that's exciting.